Kasi yun nga, magkasama kayo ni na Stephen Hall and Isaac Go and Javi. May konti rin bang pagkainayang na you weren't able to finish?
I guess nung first time sila matrade, yun yung feeling ko. Pero wala kailangan ko na rin mag-move on na wala, tapos na yung nagawa namin, tapos na yung purpose namin sa Terra Firma. It was time to move on na rin talaga kasi I guess yung management gusto rin nila bumata, nagpalit rin kay Coach Monkey from kay Coach John, so I guess mas makakabuti rin sa kanila and hoping rin ako for their success. Yun nga actually naisip ko nga yun na nasa same situation ako, pero yung nung Ateneo I didn't get much what do you call this? I didn't get much opportunity kasi nga sobrang lalim. Same dito sa San Miguel, pero very thankful ako kay Coach George kasi talagang ini-encourage na ako eh. There are times na pag kinakabahan ako, pinapatawa niya lang ako. So very thankful ako. I've said it so many times na appreciative lang ako sa kanilang lahat. Honestly, hindi ko naman po siya iniisip. Parang I'm just in the moment, focusing on the present time na one game at a time. Kasi nag-a-adjust rin ako eh. And I know na may winning tradition sila na championship or bust. And ako naman, I want to come into this team na makatulong talaga sa kanila. I'm not trying to be a star. I'm not trying to be anyone. I'm just trying to help the team and win my first championship also in the PBA.